This video tutorial is going to show you how to use the EDAR241 Flipgrid for the visual arts hurdle task. So the hurdle task is due at the end of either week 3 if you're in group B, or the end of week 9 if you're in group A. If you need more information about group A and group B, have a look in the unit information module. But to use Flipgrid for this particular hurdle task, you'll find it in the assessments module. So click on assessments, and under the hurdle task for visual arts, there are a couple of links. More will go up during the course of the semester. But basically, Flipgrid is a free Web 2 technology that allows students to take short video footage of their learning, of their reflections. In this case, you're going to be taking a short video using Flipgrid when you're doing your gallery visit, which is your hurdle task for visual arts, and then you're going to upload that reflection to Flipgrid. In Visual Arts Lecture 2, I'll be talking you through how to use Flipgrid in more detail, and also the purpose of engaging in this reflective task. But this video tutorial is just to give you some further information. So in order to use the EDAR241 Flipgrid, once you go into the assessment module, you'll see you've got the gallery visit Flipgrid, and when you click on that, it will take you to the Flipgrid that we're using. Now, the password is EDAR2412018, and it is case sensitive, but you will need that password every time you go into Flipgrid. So what you'll want to do probably is actually copy it, or sorry, highlight it and then copy it. Then click on the Gallery Visit Flipgrid link and put in the password, and then click on Let's Go. So just a bit of background information to Flipgrid. It has recently been purchased by Microsoft, and Microsoft have made it available as a free software to educators. So you can actually approach this from two ways. This particular task is requiring you to be a student, but I've also put up some information into Leo, which is What is Flipgrid, a teacher resource, and you might find that really useful to download and use, and also to start following Flipgrid on Twitter for regular updates. It's a great little tool to use. Anyway, back to the EDAR241 Gallery Reflections Flipgrid. In order to record your Flipgrid, you can either do it using a desktop, but because you're going to be in a gallery, I would say it'd be better to download the Flipgrid app to your phone or to your tablet, and do it when you're actually in the gallery. But the basic way of recording your Flipgrid is you go into the Flipgrid and then you click on the green circle with the white cross in it, and this starts off your process of recording. Now what I'm going to do is quickly record a message and show you how it works. So you also need to have your webcam on, you need to have your microphone on, and then when you're ready to record, you click on this icon down here, which is a white camera in a red circle. It'll then count you down for 3 seconds. And when it's finished counting down, what it will do is it will start recording you. And you can see in the bottom right hand corner of the video screen that it's now counting down. For this particular task, you have a maximum of 3 minutes. So you can obviously make it shorter, but for the gallery reflections, it's up to 3 minutes in length. Then when you have finished doing your recording, you can click on the pause button, and then in the right hand side of the window, you've got a green circle with a white arrow in that, and click on that when you're ready to proceed. And when you've finished, and what it will do is it will give a review of your recording. When you're finished with that, click on the same next icon, and what it will then ask you to do is create a selfie, and this selfie is the one that is used when your video is posted. So making sure you're looking at the camera, and then click on the capture icon. It'll take your selfie. You can then also add a series of emojis to your selfie if you like. Now, I am a real fan of octopus, so I'm going to go and add the octopus emoji. I'm just going to resize a little bit, and put it down there. Okay. Once you've finished with your selfie, click on the next button again, and that will actually upload your video into the Gallery Reflections Flipgrid. Just put in your name, and then submit your video. And your video will then appear in the Flipgrid. You are able to respond. You're able to watch the videos from your peers, and you're also able to respond to them as well. But as I said, there'll be more information about this in the lecture in week 2 or week 8, depending on whether you are starting with visual arts or starting with music. I look forward to listening and watching all your reflections as the semester begins to unfold.